Ever wondered what the billionaires drive? Well, buckle up, Buttercup, because today we're diving headfirst into a world of luxury that'll make your jaw drop faster than a cheetah on a sugar rush. We're talking about the most expensive cars on the planet. Get ready to feast your eyes on horsepower, extravagance, and price tags that will make you question everything you thought you knew about expensive. First up, we've got a car so fancy, it makes James Bond's Aston Martin look like a used toy car. Say bonjour to the Bugatti La Voiture Noire, which literally translates to the black car. This sleek beauty is a tribute to Bugatti's legendary Type 57 Atlantic, and they only made one. It sold for a whopping $18.68 million. The Bugatti La Voiture Noire is a masterpiece of engineering and design. It's got a monstrous 16-cylinder engine that can go from 0 to 60 in the blink of an eye. And the interior? Let's just say it's probably nicer than my entire house. So there you have it, folks, the Bugatti La Voiture Noire, a car so exclusive, so luxurious, and so ridiculously expensive that it makes even the wealthiest billionaires think twice. Next up, we're hopping into the lap of luxury with the Rolls-Royce Sweptail. This car is so fancy, it makes a royal carriage look like a rusty shopping cart. The Sweptail was custom built for a mystery client who reportedly paid a cool $13 million for it. Inspired by luxury yachts from the 1920s and 1930s, the Sweptail has a sleek, flowing design that makes it look like it's gliding through the air. The interior is where the Sweptail really shines, with handcrafted wood veneers, polished aluminum accents, and enough leather to make a herd of cows jealous. But here's the kicker. The Sweptail doesn't even have a back seat. It's a two-seater, which means you can't even share this bad boy with your best friend. So, there you have it, the Rolls-Royce Sweptail, a car so luxurious, so exclusive, and so ridiculously expensive that it makes even the most extravagant yacht look like a bargain. Now let's talk about a car that's more than just a mode of transportation. It's a work of art, a masterpiece on wheels. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta. This Italian stallion is the brainchild of Horatio Pagani, a man who clearly knows a thing or two about building extraordinary automobiles. Only 3 of these beauties were ever made. And you know what that means, right? A price tag of $17 million. The Zonda HP Barchetta is a driver's dream, with a 7.3-liter V12 engine that roars like a lion and accelerates like a rocket. And the best part? It's a convertible, so you can soak up the sun and feel the wind in your hair as you cruise down the highway. So there you have it, the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, a car so rare, so beautiful, and so ridiculously expensive that it's practically priceless. Hold on to your hats, car enthusiasts, because we're about to take a trip down memory lane with the Bugatti 110. This masterpiece on wheels is a tribute to the legendary Bugatti EB 110. The 110 is a modern-day marvel that combines classic design elements with cutting-edge technology. It packs a serious punch under the hood with an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine that churns out a mind-blowing 1,600 horsepower. That's enough power to launch you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mind-bending 2.4 seconds. But all this power and prestige come at a price, $9 million. So, there you have it, the Bugatti 110, a car that seamlessly blends the past and the present, all while carrying a price tag that's as hefty as its horsepower. Buckle up, speed demons, because we're about to enter the realm of the Lamborghini Veneno, a car so outrageous it looks like it drove straight out of a science fiction film. This car is built for speed with a 6.5-liter V12 engine that unleashes a ferocious 740 horsepower. That translates to a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 2.9 seconds and a top speed of 221 miles per hour. Of course, all this power and exclusivity come at a price, $4.5 million. But hey, if you're in the market for a car that's guaranteed to turn heads wherever you go, the Veneno is definitely worth considering. So, there you have it, the Lamborghini Veneno, a car that's as wild as its name suggests, with a price tag that's just as jaw-dropping as its performance. Get ready to step into a world of unparalleled luxury, folks, because we're about to delve into the Mercedes-Benz Maybach Exelero, a car so opulent, It makes a first-class airplane cabin look like a budget motel room. Underneath its elegant exterior lies a powerful 5.9-liter twin-turbo V12 engine that churns out a respectable 690 horsepower and 752 lb-ft of torque. That's enough power to propel this luxury land yacht from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a respectable 4.4 seconds. Of course, all this luxury and performance come at a price, $8 million. But hey, if you're in the market for a car that exudes sophistication, power, and exclusivity, the Maybach Exelero is in a league of its own. Just be prepared to part with a small fortune to call this automotive masterpiece your own. Fasten your seatbelts, everyone, because we're about to explore the dazzling world of the Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita, a car so luxurious, it makes a diamond necklace look like a cheap trinket. This Swedish masterpiece is coated in a proprietary diamond weave carbon fiber finish that shimmers and sparkles like 1,000 tiny stars. Underneath its shimmering exterior beats the heart of a true performance car with a 4.8-liter twin supercharged V8 engine that unleashes a monstrous 1,018 horsepower. That's enough power to launch this Swedish rocket from 0 to 60 mph in a mind-bending 2.9 seconds and propel it to a top speed of over 254 miles per hour. Of course, all this power, luxury, and exclusivity come at a price, $4.8 million. So there you have it, the Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita, a car that's as rare and precious as a diamond. Get ready to enter the future of performance cars, folks, because we're about to explore the Aston Martin Valkyrie, a hybrid hypercar that's as technologically advanced as it is visually stunning. Underneath its sleek exterior lies a revolutionary hybrid powertrain that combines a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine with an electric motor, resulting in a combined output of over 1,100 horsepower. That's enough power to launch this British beast from 0 to 60 mph in a mind-bending 2.5 seconds and propel it to a top speed of over 250 miles per hour. Of course, all this power, technology, and exclusivity come at a price, $3 million. But hey, if you're in the market for a car that's as futuristic as it is fast, the Valkyrie is in a league of its own. Just be prepared to shell out a small fortune to call this automotive masterpiece your own. Prepare to be captivated by the elegance of the Ferrari Pininfarina Sergio, a limited edition masterpiece that pays homage to the legendary Italian design house, Pininfarina. This open-top beauty is a celebration of classic Ferrari design with a modern twist, resulting in a car that's both timeless and breathtaking. Underneath its sculpted exterior lies a powerful 4.5-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine borrowed from the Ferrari 458 Spider, but tuned to deliver a blistering 597 horsepower. That's enough power to launch this Italian stallion from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.4 seconds. Of course, all this beauty, performance, and exclusivity come at a price, $3 million. So there you have it, the Ferrari Pininfarina Sergio, a car that's as rare as it is beautiful. Get ready for a heavy dose of adrenaline, because we're about to explore the Bugatti Divo, a track-focused beast that takes everything we love about Bugatti to the next level. This car is built for speed and agility, with a more aerodynamic design, a massive rear wing, and a lighter overall weight compared to its sibling, the Chiron. It's designed to carve corners with precision and grace, thanks to its advanced suspension system, torque vectoring, and a plethora of aerodynamic enhancements that keep it glued to the asphalt. Of course, all this performance and exclusivity come at a price, $5.8 million. But hey, if you're in the market for a car that's as capable on the track as it is on the road, the Divo is in a league of its own. Just be prepared to shell out a small fortune to call this automotive beast your own. Well, that's it for our whirlwind tour of the most expensive cars in the world. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling a little bit poorer just looking at them. Start saving up, or maybe just enjoy dreaming a little. If you're anything like me, you'll be daydreaming about cruising down the French Riviera in your diamond-encrusted Bugatti. But hey, even if we can't all afford these automotive masterpieces, it's still fun to dream, right? And who knows, maybe one day, we'll all be winning the lottery and adding these beauties to our garages. A girl can dream, can't she? Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome car content. Until next time, keep on cruising.